Michael, and today we're going to be teaching you a game called Combo Dominoes. Now, to play the game, the only equipment you need is a set of dominoes. Now, I know a lot of people will have dominoes at home, but there'll be people who don't have dominoes at home. And just before we started filming, I just went online and quickly Googled printable dominoes, and heaps of things came up in the search engine. So if you don't have a set of actual concrete dominoes, you can print your own setup. Okay, now the way to play, this is a game that's the best way to demonstrate is to start playing. So Nash, how many dominoes do we start with? 5. So we grab 5 from the middle. And because Nash and I are just learning this game, we're going to play an open hand. So we're going to play where we can see each other's dominoes. But once you get good at playing the game, it would be better if you kept them secret from your opponent. Okay, now, the next thing we do is we turn over a domino in the middle here. Now, the way the game works is, each time it's your turn, you're trying to place a domino on top of the one in the middle. And the way you do that is by making an operation that matches the domino in the middle. We'll talk about that in a second. If you can place a domino down, your pile will go down and get smaller and smaller. The aim of the game is to get rid of all your dominoes. If you can't place a domino down, you need to pick a domino up from the middle. So at every turn, the number of dominoes you have will change. It will either go up by 1 or it will go down by 1. Aim being to get rid of all your dominoes. All right, Nash, do you want to go first or do you want me to?
I want to go first.
Okay, do you want to go first?
3 times 3.
So what we're trying to do is...
9. That's 9. And that's 10. So no, I can't do that.
Okay.
Can I do 3 plus 3? No, that's 6.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
So you can use any operation. So whatever you use on this domino between these two numbers, you can use a different operation on these two numbers. The idea being you're trying to get this domino to equal this domino. Okay? So Nash, can I make a suggestion? What if you use subtraction here?
So take away?
Yeah.
3 take away 3.
Yeah, what's 3 take away 3?
0.
Okay. Is there a way you can get this to 0?
5 take away 5.
What's that?
0.
Beautiful, put it on.
Yeah.
And that's the kind of prompt you want to give to your child at home. If they're having trouble and they're stuck, rather than tell them, you might just suggest an operation or suggest something for them to think about and leave some space for them to do some thinking. Okay, so Nash, now I've got this one. And then one of the other great things about the game is, every time a domino is placed on top, it changes what you're trying to match with. So it's a very dynamic game.
Oh, I know something you could do.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do you want to tell me? Oh, I've got something. Is it with this one?
No.
With this one?
No.
I'm going to use this one.
It could be that one or that one.
I'm going to use this one. 3 plus 3 is...
6.
And 1 times 6 is 6. So even though this is addition, this is multiplication, as long as I can get the left side of the equation to equal the right side, 3 plus 3 is 6, 1 times 6 is 6, that's a match. Over to you, Nash.
5 plus 1 would be 5. 5 times 1 times 5. No, I'm not going to do that domino. I'm going to try this domino. 1 group of 4 would be 4.
So then you've got to think, can you make this 4? That's what you've always got to be thinking about, this domino and this domino.
That domino is 4. How do I make that? I could make that one 6, but I'm trying to make it 4.
Can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
So with this domino here, you could make it 4. What else could you do with this domino?
I could make it 5.
How would you make it 5?
4 plus 1.
Is 5. Could you make this one 5?
Oh yeah.
How?
6 take away 1.
Is?
5.
Beautiful, put it on top. Great job. Okay, my turn.
Second, 1 for Charlie Hustle, 2 for Steady Rock, 3 for the 4 coming live, future shot.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
Alright, so Nashi. 6 take away 6.
0.
Right. And 3 bags, 3 times 0. So 3 bags with nothing, no strawberries in each. How many strawberries?
0.
I win.
Oh yeah.
So that is Combo Dominoes. As said, all you need is a set of dominoes to play. It can be a long game, it can be a short game, but lots of really good number sense stuff that will happen while you're playing it. Thank you for joining us, and we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
Mathematics.